Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a different setup. Wait, hold on, let me move back. You know, this is a new angle for me, so I'm still trying to work out the kinks. I'm not an expert like Shay is, but I'm gonna try to mimic Shay's style and record a video like this with the camera set up with the overhead. Because today, I'm gonna be starting a new series. We're gonna be talking about stocks. This series is gonna be for everybody who's ever been interested in the stock market, but just never got into it. This series is pretty much gonna be for anybody who's ever been interested in the stock market. You've probably done research about it. You know a little bit about it, but not enough to actually put your own money into it in fear of risking losing your money. That's me in a nutshell. I've always been interested in the stock market. I've done research. I've looked into different stocks. I've tried following a stock over time just to see, you know, if I can create some kind of pattern and figure out some sort of magical scheme to finesse the whole system. I tried that. I guess over time you kind of lose yourself because you get distracted by other things and you get distracted by life. Life happens. I recently got back into the stock market due to this coronavirus thing. They said this is pretty much a good time to be getting into the stock market because all the stock prices have lowered. I guess this is a stock market crash or whatever. Similar to the recession in 2008, I wasn't really paying attention to the stocks then. I was in high school. So they're saying stocks pretty much went down, and then when the market recovered, that's when everybody pretty much gained money, I guess. I'm not really sure. I'm still trying to figure out this whole stock market thing myself. Just to put this out, I'm not a financial expert. I'm not someone I am definitely not somebody you would like to take financial advice from. I'm not a financial advisor. I have no certification. I'm no licenses, no nothing. I'm just a regular person looking to learn the stock market. So what I've recently done, I've put $20 of my own money into the stock market, and it's been about 3 weeks and I've gained $5, roughly about $5. So that's pretty cool, and I'm about to show you how I did it. So as I've said, I've recently gotten back into the stock market. Shout out to my lovely wife for getting me my new planner. You might see the unboxing of it. We did a little video of that. It has my initials right there. It's an Erin Condren focus planner. Shout out Erin Condren. So these note pages, before I actually put money into the stock market, this is where I kind of kept track of prices of the stocks I was interested in. And I'll show you how I found the stock prices. Alright, so I found the prices of the stocks and found what stocks I was interested in by using the app RobinHood. If you use my link in the description to sign up, you'll get a free share of stock, and I'll also get a free share of stock. So that's what's in it for me. So hopefully you guys will sign up and I can get a free stock and I can show, you know, more stock, because I don't plan on putting no more than $20 into this. I've currently put $20 into it. I've made $5.90. That's why it shows how much your total investing is. I'm not really sure. I'm still, you know, figuring out the app itself. I guess this graph is your total, and as you can see, if you hold your finger and slide it, it'll show you how the stock has been performing. All right, so buying power, as I said, I put $20 into it. Currently I have $13.50 left to buy stuff. This is the stock I currently have, is Roda Pharmaceuticals, and we'll get into that later. But you have a whole watch list. These are just a few stocks I was just interested in. I haven't put any money into any of these, but these are some that I'm interested in, and I'll go over why I'm interested in it later. Cash management, I guess you have a card, you can link it to a bank account. I have not done this yet. Still, as I said, I'm still discovering the app. Browse, they have a section where they show you all the news about all the stocks and what stocks are performing like crazy. Like, these are the top movers. It'll show you the different stocks. Ellington Financial moved up 69.35%. So yeah. And it'll have a message every time you buy or sell a stock. It'll let you know when it's been confirmed, and it has a history page right here. All right, so getting into the app a little bit deeper, it'll show you your history. I started off with, let's see, statements in history. Boom. So I started off March 13th. All right, so I signed up with somebody else's link, so I got a bonus stock when I signed up. It was for $3.82. Let's see, and I bought Marathon Oil. That was MRO. And as you can see on my sheet here, I tracked it. Marathon Oil, March 13th. Bought it for $3.82. That was my free share stock. I wrote a few details about it. And as we can go onto the app here, Marathon Oil, where was that at? I believe that was, no, that might be at the top here. Where's Marathon? I don't have Marathon Oil anymore. Here it is. All right, so right now Marathon Oil is currently at $3.78. So I would have been at a loss right now. Oh well, there was a few things that happened between now and then. All right, so as you can go into the app Marathon Oil, you see right now it's at $3.79. One thing about the app, you can switch it and see the performance over the past. Hold on, someone's at the door. All right, sorry about that. Somebody rang the doorbell. My wife ordered something from FedEx. All right, so where was I? Talking about Marathon Oil. All right, so yeah, you can go back and the app, it will show you the past performance for the week, the past 3 months, the past year, and the past 5 years. I guess I saw something in Marathon Oil recently. I guess over the past month, I saw that it went down. I guess I saw it come back up. No, that's why I purchased it. All right, so it was $3.82, and then I checked it again through March 18th, and it was $3.60. So I knew I was gonna hold it. Let's see, what was my statement set? I eventually sold it, let's see. I sold it for $3.81. It finally came back up. And I believe that it was at that point, let's see, March 16th, I decided to put $20 into it. March 16th, I decided to put $20 into it, but I didn't like purchase anything yet. I didn't end up buying any stocks until March 27th. I decided to go full on Marathon Oil. I guess I saw the pattern. Let's see, March 20th, I saw that Marathon Oil was $3.55, so I decided to buy more, or I decided to buy because at that point, I was out. I was out the game at that point. So March 27th, see, I spent $10.88. I bought 3 shares of Marathon Oil for $3.63. I guess at that point I had realized that I feel like there's a good chance that it was going to go back to $3.63 and above. I was thinking it would probably go back up to $3.82 at that point. March 31st, it went down. I saw it drop. It went down to $3.33. I decided to buy 3 more shares. So at that point, I believe I was $20 in at that point. $10.88, and my $20 was spent. So I decided to sell, and I actually made a little profit. April 3rd, I sold all 6 shares at $3.76. I bought it. Let's see. This is, in my mind, this is good. So I bought. Wait, that's the first one. That was the bonus one that I sold. I bought 3 at $3.63, and then I bought 3 more at $3.33. I sold all 6 at $3.76. So I ended up earning, or they ended up paying me $22.56 when originally I had $20 into it. So for me, that's a win. Okay, so the camera battery just died on me, but like I said, that's my strategy of winning at the stock market game. I started it at $20. You see, I made that transaction and I actually made $22 or $2 and whatever. You do the math. As you can see, I haven't put any more money into it. As you can see right now, if I sold all my stocks today, I would have $26. So I'm still going up. This is my plan on slowly winning at the stock market game. I think that's gonna be it for this video. I see everything is working against me. Got people at the door. I have loud banging. The next door neighbors are building a fence. Yeah, it's just a whole lot. I have batteries dying. It's total chaos. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up. If you're interested in me continuing this video series, just let me know in the comments and I'll let you know what stocks I am watching and why I am watching them, and other plans on winning at the stock market, and what I've learned since putting money into the stock market. And please, if you're interested in getting into the stock market, go ahead and sign up using my link for that free stock. There's no better way to learn anything than to actually do it, so you might as well just go ahead and get that free stock and start learning, and then you'll be inclined or better prepared to actually put your own money into the stock market. So, yep, like, subscribe, share, Mr. Budgets, we're out.